Megan here with WTI, and when anti-flow comes to town, Strawberry Weeks has got you covered. I suffer from really heavy periods, and I was absolutely shocked at how well these boy shorts kept me protected overnight. One of the reasons for this is the full coverage gusset. Now, when Strawberry Week says these give a cloud-like feel, they're actually not lying. I was shocked at how buttery soft they felt on me. One thing too that I noticed is because there's a nice soft material to it, I did not experience any uncomfortable itching that I would have normally when using a pad. Now, I got the size 4XL boy shorts, and I recommend using their size chart when deciding what size to purchase because it worked really well for me. These are really easy to wash. Just wash them on a gentle cycle in your machine. They recommend hanging them to dry. I feel so confident wearing these even on my heaviest days, and they are so comfortable. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.